welcome to this video. Here you see a KRYPTONITE padlock, KRYPTONITE by Schlake, that I received from Archie Robert James. So Robert, thank you very much for this lock. I think this is a great lock. I played with this lock quite a while, although I got it open fairly quick, about 5 minutes after I started playing with it. But I wanted to pick it consistently. And this is really a tough lock with a great core in it. And I think Robert put some alien technology in there. And I know that because I had to open it up first and had to loosen the ring at the end of the core to make it work a little bit smoother. So I will show you just after I picked it what I mean. So now it works very nice and smooth, no problem. It's a 6-pin lock with a pretty good bidding, and it has a very nice core, so very precise core. I really like picking it. It's a challenge. The keyway itself, it's not really bad, although it's not so wide open as a quickset keyway, but it's doable. So let me clamp it into a vise and try to pick it for you. Alright, so ready for the fight. Here is the lock clamped up in the vise, closed and locked up. Apply tension from the pin side, just enough pressure to overcome the spring tension on the plug, and use a Peterson thin hook to pick it. So let me zoom in. All the way to the back. Six, 5, 4, maybe 3, nothing from 2 and nothing from 1. It was 6 again, but something dropped. 5, 4. This is really alien technology. 3, 2, great. And now 1 is binding. Getting counter rotation on 1. Okay, got a false set, nice false set. And then no, 1 is binding again now, and it's set. So you have to set the 1 twice. Okay, not yet open. Check 2. Yeah, it's binding, but something dropped. 1 has dropped. Okay, 1 is set again, and need to set it 1 more time. And it's open. Yes, nice. Alright, so now I want to see what alien technology Robert has put in there. Okay. Okay, I will use the key to get it out. I will lock it back up. Okay, come out of here. So, here you can see that obviously there has been some modifications made to this lock. So now let's look inside. I really like this kind of fixation with this ring. It's very picking friendly. Here's the spring. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, I need the key. And yeah, just turn it like this. Should work. Just need a follower and push it out. Yes. Very nice core, very nice plug. Round, very smooth. All 6 pins are there and working. Very nice. Very good quality core. Great. So one is standard, 2 is standard, 3 standard, 4 standard, 5 and 6 all standard. Very nice key pins, all standard. Now let's check for the drivers. One is a spool. Two is standard. Another spool. Another spool. Another spool. Oops, and another spool. Alright, so very interesting. Actually nothing really so special. Nice pins, spools and one standard, as you can see. So now let's have a look at the plug. Everything smooth in the chambers here. And dump out the springs. They all are the same and look like that. So everything's smooth here as well. Alright, so really don't know why this makes so much trouble for me to pick it. And I was confused by this type of modification here. I thought there were heavy modifications made to the core, but it seems not to be the case. But it's a tough lock. At least it's a tough lock for me. So sorry for the focus. Yeah, that's the pinning of this very enjoyable KRYPTONITE padlock. So thank you very much for watching, and happy picking. Bye bye. A quick addendum. I was really surprised to see no alien technology in this lock, and so I reassembled the plug to see the effectiveness of the pinning. And here you see something very funny. You see that 1, 3 and 5 are stacks that are almost completely inside the plug. And as these are spools, they act as a normal pin now, and when you pick it partially, they act like a spool. So it's like you have additionally 3 pins in this lock. Insert the key to demonstrate what I mean. So first it's a normal pin, now it's a spool, and you have to pick it to the shear line. 2 is a normal pin, 3 again, this double picking, 4 just like a normal spool, 5 again, normal pin now, spool now, and 6 just like a normal spool. So this explains the weird feedback and the fact that I think that this is a very precisely made core makes it a great fight to pick, and yeah, a fun pick. So Robert, great lock, fantastic lock. I really enjoyed it. Thank you very much for sending this to me. Alright, so now we are at the end. Thanks for watching. Happy picking. Bye bye.